Hello everyone. Today the final part of my build has arrived. Let's unbox this. I would just like to add that the videos do not do justice to this card. It is it's a beautiful card. So yeah, so for those of you who are on the fence or just wondering, I haven't seen many, actually, the others, Azus or the other cards. The Astral, for me, is the preferred in design, or it would have been this one, and I managed to get this one for 2,100 euros. So the Astral was 1,000 euros more, and I just couldn't justify it. The wallet was saying yes, but the brain was saying no. So I got lucky with this one for 2,100. I got it at the suggested retail price. So really happy about it. And it just looks phenomenal. It is. And the thing is that it's going to be replacing my RTX 1070, which is also a 2-slot card. And this is also a 2-slot card. So that's excellent. It's going to be very good for the air and the temperatures in the case. So yeah, I just wanted to reiterate, it looks beautiful. I hope it's going to serve me well. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.